Hey there, I'm Abdullah and I work with talented team of developers. Together we build custom websites and web applications that truly stand out. We specialize in a wide range of technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Next.js, Node.js and PHP. Our mission is simple: to turn your ideas into powerful, user-friendly digital solutions that fit your exact needs. Whether you need a sleek business website, custom e-commerce features, or a powerful web app, we have got you covered. We also offer no-code solution using platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or Wix for faster, flexible results. Need something more advanced? We can build complex analytics dashboards, integrate custom algorithms, and deliver high performance tools using modern tech stacks. Everything we create is fast, secure, scalable, and easy to use. We care deeply about quality and making sure you are happy every step of the way. So, if you are ready to take your online presence to the next level, check out our services. Let's build something amazing together.